Hello everyone, I am Vijay S. Gululkai, Assistant Professor of Vijayanagar College, Hospet. A warm welcome to you all. For this session, in today's session, we will discuss about the continuation part of poultry. In previous class, we had discussed about indigenous breeds. So, today we will discuss about exotic breeds. So, what are exotic breeds? These breeds are originated outside India and then imported into our country in order to increase the production of egg and meat. Exotic breeds are classified into four classes on the basis of their place of origin. First one is Asiatic class. Birds which belongs to this class have been originated from Asia. The following examples belongs to this class. Here, the first one is Langshan. It was originated from the Langshan district of China. The color of the plumage may be black or white. On the basis of the color, there are two types of the birds, black Langshan and white Langshan as shown in the figure. It is a moderate layer, but it is a good broiler, means it is delicious to eat. The cock weighs about 4.5 kg. Second one is the Giriraj. It is the dual purpose breed which is specially developed for meat as well as eggs. It is developed recently by the Department of Veterinary, University of Agricultural Science, and named as Giriraj. It is a hybrid of local and exotic breeds of white leghorn and Cornish. It resembles the wild jungle fowl. It is strong and sturdy bird with a single or pea comb and weight about 5 kg. Adult females attain a weight of 4 kg. They are good layers. The maximum yield of eggs recorded is 180 eggs per year. It has the resistance to diseases except Ronicate disease. This Ronicate disease requires vaccination. It takes more than a year to attain full growth. In local conditions, it tolerates wide range of climates and feeding conditions. It is uneconomical to maintain the breeds in farms, but it is good for village backyard rearing. Its meat is soft and tasty. Second one is Mediterranean class. This class includes those birds which are originated in Europe by the side of the Mediterranean Sea. Such birds are generally small. The first example is white leghorn. Its origin is from the Mediterranean region. The birds are medium sized with the weight of 2 to 2.5 kg. They are active. The body is elongated with a prominent breast. They have black, brown, buff and white plumage. They are good layers. The average egg production is about 280 to 300 per year. Hence, they are known as champion layer. It has rose comb, but its beak is yellow in color. Second example is Ancona. This bird is originated from Italy. The egg production is lesser than that of the white leghorn. They will be friendly towards you and your family. Hence, they are commonly called as friendly bird. The third group is English class. The birds belongs to this class originated from England and they are considered as best table birds. Means it is very delicious to eat. Now let us discuss some examples of this class. First example is Australorp. This bird is originated from Australia. The birds under this category are used for both egg and meat production. It can survive in rainy regions. The cock weighs about 3.5 kg. This bird lays about 250 eggs per year. Second example is Cornish. This bird is native of England. It is dual purpose breed but mainly reared for meat purpose. Best broiler Cornish is produced by crossing white Cornish with the white Plymouth Rock. These are quite large with wide breast. It has short but strong legs. The standard weight is about 3 to 5 kg. The last class is American class. The birds belong to this class developed in USA. Generally, these birds are obtained by the crossing of Mediterranean and Asian types. They survive as dual purpose breeds. The first example is Rhode Island Red. It is one of the most popular breeds of fowl in India, which belongs to Rhode Island of North America. This breed has good quality of flesh and the hens are very good layers. The chickens grow quickly and they are easy to rear and well suited for wet and heavy rainfall regions. The standard weight of this breed is 3 to 5 kg. It is used as dual purpose breed. Second example is Plymouth Rock. These birds originated from USA. These are good layers and broilers. The bird variety is used for cross breeding purpose. Its weight about 3.5 to 4.5 kg. The flesh is excellent. There are 6 varieties in Plymouth Rock, namely Barred Plymouth Rock, White Buff Plymouth Rock, Silver Penciled Plymouth Rock, Partridge Plymouth Rock, Colombian Plymouth Rock, and Blue Plymouth Rock. Last example of the last class is New Hampshire. This bird is developed mainly in New Hampshire, that is northeastern state of USA. It has gained great popularity because of its hardness, rapid growth, early maturity, fertility, hatchability, and good laying capacity. The bird have rectangular body with broad breast, single comb, and chest has red plumage. Tail feathers are black and weighs about 4 kg. It is a dual purpose breed. These are various comb styles in poultry chicken. The highlighted ones, that is single comb, rose comb, pea comb, and walnut comb, are very important as they are part of next semester's that is genetics chapter. Thank you.